Experiencing a key fob not detected error in your Dodge Challenger, especially 2015, 2023 models, can be frustrating. First, the most common culprit is a dead or weak key fob battery, which is a CR2032 type. Replace it and make sure the voltage is above 3 volts. If that doesn't work, check the RF or radio frequency hub located under the driver's side dashboard. This module communicates with the key fob. Another component is the antenna, typically located near the rear window or under the seats. Corrosion or damage to the antenna can weaken reception. Start by checking these key components in the order of battery, RF hub, and antenna to resolve your issues. Begin troubleshooting with the key fob battery. A simple replacement often solves the issue. If the RF hub is suspected, check for signs of water intrusion or corrosion under the driver's side dashboard. Stellantis has released over-the-air software updates via Uconnect to address RF hub glitches. Check if your car needs an update through the app. For antenna issues, inspect the wiring for corrosion or physical damage, especially near the rear window or under seats. If DIY fixes don't work, use professional diagnostics with FCA Tech Authority app or dealership scanner. Reprogramming the key fob may be necessary. Cycle the ignition 8 times in 10 seconds to enter pairing mode. Extended warranties for key fob components may be available. Consider Dodge's digital key features or NFC alternatives for improved reliability.